Dr. Hubner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with TJ. TJ is here 1 year after his hair transplant, and as you can see from the video, the before pictures that we're going to put there, he looks so much better. What an improvement, and he was so nice enough to show his results and pay it forward, because I know the videos that he saw helped him in his decision. So thanks again, TJ, for doing that and paying it forward to some other people, and I'm sure this is going to help somebody. But I'll let you talk, overall, what do you think of your results? What have people been saying? Has anybody noticed? And, would you do it again?
Okay. Overall, it was the best thing I could have done. I got the transplant when I was 27 and I'm 28 now. And if I didn't get it, I'll be looking like I'm 35. So it was the best thing ever. I would definitely do it again and again and again. And I'll tell anybody who is losing hair in the corners or, in the crown area, go ahead and get the procedure.
Okay.
Yeah, I would definitely say get it. Yeah.
Awesome. But man, you look amazing. Let's model your hair if that's okay.
Yeah.
Obviously, we can see what it looks like from the front. Let's have you just put your chin down to you a little bit and just hold it there. Good. Perfect example of what 30 to 40% looks like. It reframes the face. It's hair, as you can see, a little thinner than the back of your head, but enough to make a major difference. Let's have you turn to one side and just kind of hold it. Awesome. And then slowly bring it around towards the front. There we go. Yep. And let's see the other side. I love how you're edging that up, my man. That looks awesome. Yeah, let's see the other side. Same thing. Good. Perfect. Wow. Thanks again, TJ, for showing off your results. And, if you ever need more hair, I know we talked about possibly filling in some more here, maybe in the back if you ever need it in the future. But thanks again for showing your story. We do appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.